Hi guys, this is Parag. Welcome to Paradigms Decoder. I hope you all are good. In this part 2, we will discuss the variable number of arguments in the print function. Okay, the print function with variable number of arguments. So what is the variables? When we create any variable, let's see, this a is equal to 1, then b is equal to 2. Okay, this kind of thing are the variable creation, right? We create the variables, or a is equal to parag. Okay, we have seen previously. Okay, these variables. Okay, how these multiple variables are used in the print statement, we are going to see, and how they are assigned in different places. Just see, here we have given the example a b c separated with comma. Okay, a b c separated with comma is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. In this example, what is happening? This a b c will get automatically separated with the comma, and while printing these statements we will get this values automatically. See, suppose I print this now. Okay, first run this, then we will print. After running this cell, abc assigned to the a for the 10, b for the 20, c for the 30. Okay, and now print values a comma b comma c. Print value. Now see, suppose here I am not giving any comma. What will happen? Error will come. See, syntax error. Okay, because here we have not given the comma. Now we will give the comma. See, after giving the comma, it will run finally. Okay, so this is the one argument, a is the second argument, b is the third argument, and c is the fourth argument in this print statement. And so here what we are getting here, actually this 10 20 30 after running the cell. See, 10 20 30, which is assigned here like this, 10 20 30. Similarly, suppose we assign 4 comma 5 comma 6, what will happen? See, the values are 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now we will see with the separators. See, suppose in this print statement where we have given values a b c is equal to 4 5 6. See here, now we mentioned here the sep. Okay, sep is equal to comma, which is defined inside quotation. Okay, this is the syntax. You should be careful about writing this syntax. Okay, if you will not define this, means the quotation is not given, suppose, it will throw error. Okay, so this kind of quotation should be given when we define anything. Okay, as per the need of the syntax. And after the practicing, you will come to know in which function or in which method what kind of the syntax is there. See, 4 5 6 separated by comma. Suppose I keep this space empty. Suppose I will not mention here comma in the separator. What will happen? See in next line. See, I will remove here. I will remove this comma from here. Okay, in this line. What will happen? See, 4 5 6. No separator. Suppose I keep space here. What will happen? See, 4 5 6 with spaces. Okay, so separator works in this way. It gives the separation according to our need. Okay, suppose you give the separator like star, what will happen? It will separate with the star. Okay, see, suppose you give the separator slash, it will separate with the slash. Okay, in this way separator works here. Okay, now we will see the next form of the string, sorry, print outputs. Now see, this is the next form of the print statement with the end attribute, okay. In this we give this end attribute. Can you see here in this cell? I can show you, these are the end attributes. In the print statement, hello comma end is equal to space. In this second print comma end is equal to space separator, end is this space. Okay, so this is the end attribute. While we will print this statement here, see what we got. Hello paradigms decoder. Okay, one by one. First hello, second was the paradigms, third is the decoder. Okay, you can read this like so. Here we are mentioning the end attribute and we will see what will happen. See here, I will give comma and mention the end attribute. Okay, what will happen, tell me? See, now after hello I got the paradigms. Okay, previously it was came one below another, but now this came upside. So due to this end attribute, what happens, the next statement is came immediately after the first statement. Now we will mention in this second line same thing, end is equal to space, this attribute end is equal to, see this space. Okay, inside quotation, see end is equal to space. Okay, space is given. So what will happen now? Now this decoder in the this line, in this third line, will come immediately after this paradigms, and due to in this line, due to this end attribute, see, due to this end attribute, this paradigms here printed will come immediately after this line, means this hello, and due to the end attribute given here, we directly immediately get the decoder in following the paradigms. Okay, immediately following the paradigms. Are you understanding? So let's run this cell, see the output how changes. See, hello paradigms decoder in single line we got here. And suppose I will give another end statement here and we will print something new here. We like your videos. We will mention this string here. We will define this string. Now we will see. See, I have added one line more here. Now we will see what happens. Due to the, if suppose I am not keeping any end character here, now see what will change happen. This line come to the next line. Okay, and suppose I will mention in this line the end attribute. See, okay, and now I will run see what change will happen here. This "we like your videos" will come immediately after the decoder part, this decoder part. Okay, due to this end character, end attribute. See, I am running this. Okay, in this way this end attribute works in the print form, print statements. Okay, and in this way we got the outputs. In this, what is the syntax? Print parenthesis, where we give the objects. Okay, we can pass any object. So any object means like lists, then tuple, then set, then dictionaries. Okay, these kind of objects we can pass as an argument to the print statement. Okay, this is the next form we are going to see. So let's create one list with this L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. See, L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's add some more characters. 100, 200. Okay, now we have created the tuple in below line. Or let's first type this L only. Okay, this list only. What will happen? L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200. And after the printing L, we can directly give this list in L in the form of object. See, we have provided here object. Okay, so we will get the, oh, here we have given the dot, that's why the error is there. See, dot. Okay, I will remove this dot, by mistake I given. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200. Okay, this is the list. Suppose we create some tuple like this. T is equal to, we know tuple we mention inside the curly brackets, sorry, the curve brackets. Okay, in this curve bracket we create tuple 102, then 204, then 305, 406 suppose, and we give inside the print statement. We can pass this. Now see T. Okay, suppose I will do now one change. I will give here, see, in this statement, now we have defined the T is equal to tuple, L is equal to list. Okay, and now we will print L comma T. What will happen? See, due to this L we got here the list, and due to this T we got here the tuple. Okay, in this way we can give the objects, these multiple objects in the statement. String formatting we have seen in the recent lectures, where we all the string formats are given, different kinds of the string formatting, the methods of the string formatting. So you can refer those for this kind of the printing form. Okay guys, so I think this is not much tough task. This topic was very simple. The different kinds of the uh, outputs we have seen today here. So in this way outputs are work. Okay, fine, thank you.